This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Porter. Beautiful waterfront pool home located in Windward Isles, a maintenance-free community of 24 luxurious homes with sailboat access to Charlotte Harbour just minutes away. This upgraded street offers an absolutely gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-car garage residence, spacious split-bedroom floor plan with 2 generous-sized guest bedrooms, formal dining area, massive great room, huge master suite, expansive master bathroom, bonus den/office, double door front entry, porcelain tile throughout, electric fireplace built in, 42 inches all-wood upper cabinets with accent glass inserts, tiled backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package, tin ceilings with multiple trays/coffers/grids, designer fixtures, walk-in California-style closets. Saltwater pool with spa, with automation, all overlooking the picturesque canal. Perfect for boaters, including a seawall with wood dock, paver driveway/walkway, irrigation system, high-impact windows and tiled roof. Windward Isles is a deed-restricted community that provides lawn maintenance, irrigation, tree trimming, pest control and fertilization within the HOA, seasonal rentals allowed. You won't be disappointed. For more information, review the details below.